Okay, so yesterday I made this great plan for the end of the school year, and I laid it all out for you, and then the superintendent came out with a new plan and changed plans on me. So we are going to change course. We're going to do Friday's work today, Tuesday. We're going to do next Monday's work on Wednesday. We're going to do next Tuesday's work on Thursday, and then we're done. I'm not going to be giving you any more assessments. I will just be giving you participation grade for this week for each of the things that you do, and we're going to call it good because, yeah, plans change. I don't know that we'll be doing the scavenger hunt now. I'll have to wait and see what happens, but that's okay. Sometimes you learn to just go with the flow. All right, so when I put those videos up, please know that they were made with different intentions in mind, but plans change. All right, guys, thanks for being flexible.